Salvete plurimum nomen mihi est magister chem. Solve nomen mihi est iswir.
Salve nomen mihi est Skeletor.
I've brought Iswir and Skeletor here to help me teach you about indirect statement. Skeletor est skelestos.
Sum Skelestos. Skeletor Skelestos.
Right, so Iswir said Skeletor is wicked, right? That is a direct statement. He directly stated that. Like, he actually said it. It wasn't like coming out of my mouth, right? I mean, look at him, right? Like, he's got like a skull for a face with like red glowing eyes. Like, clearly he is evil, right? All right, so first, we want to report what he said. So that's our independent clause. That's normal grammar. Iswir dicit. All right, Iswir says. Okay, we can use quotation marks, right? Like, we can just directly quote exactly what he said. What did you say again? Skeletor est skelestos.
Sum Skelestos.
All right, we put that in quotation marks, right? Like, Skeletor est skelestos. That's called a direct statement. We're directly quoting him. But what if we want to indirectly refer to what he's talking about? What if we want to say, Iswir says that Skeletor is wicked? The Romans are not going to do it the same way that we're going to do it. So this is what we call an indirect statement. We keep our independent clause the same. But instead of putting stuff in quotation marks, we are going to convert our nominative subject into an accusative subject. Because this whole phrase is sort of like a direct object. It's the thing that he's saying. Iswir says something. Iswir says a statement. Iswir says a thing. And here's that thing we're saying. So hence, it's kind of like a direct object. We're putting that subject into the accusative. And then, instead of using a verb, we're going to use the infinitive instead. Why? Because that's how the Romans do it. And then, since our adjective is modifying that noun, and that noun's now in the accusative, that adjective also goes into the accusative. Iswir dicit skeletorem esse skelestum.
Sum Skelestos Skeletor.
Sum Iswir et Skeletor pugnaten as finis fabulae. Valete.
Ow.